COVID-19 is rapidly changing everything. Within a few weeks, the way we socialise, shop, live and work shifted into what feels like an alternate reality. We've been asked to adapt the way we do things, especially the way we work. Zoom and Google Hangout are fast becoming the new meeting room as people are forced to work from home to ensure that everyone stays safe. We're all juggling a lot right now, and the last thing anyone needs is more stress. But for a lot of people, just the thought of a video conference adds a whole new layer of anxiety to turning up for a meeting. There's something about being on camera, even if it is for co-workers who see them every day, that suddenly makes people self-conscious, like they've been chased down the street by a film crew. And the truth is, video conferencing can be hard. Dropouts, bad lighting, weird eye contact, and a lack of engagement can make it a challenge for the most confident of players. And let's be honest, there is nothing like seeing yourself on a screen under downlights above your kitchen table to completely rattle your confidence. But it's a technology that is keeping us all connected and our work moving forward, and it can be mastered. You don't have to be natural talent or the loudest person in the room. With my insider tips and tricks and a bit of practice, video conferencing and virtual meetings will become much easier. The world has a lot of worries at the moment. Having to give your next presentation or have a team meeting online shouldn't have to be one of them. Now, you may not walk out of this course as the next Oprah, but I can promise you that the next time a meeting request comes through for a video conference, you are going to be camera ready.